Kimberley Kruiser full-size van. This is the tandem axle, the black Caviar T3, and this is some of the great things I like about this unit. But there is some dimmable lights out here for the outside kitchen. Nice big outside kitchen, diesel hot water. I've got a security screen door right here in here, and I can go and latch and lock my crim safe door. We'll see that. But on the outside, this is one thing that we've been doing lately. And again, using this carefree type awning. I've got a little click handle here. I just have to click it in. I use my hook and I can just grab this guy here and pull this out. Now it can come out a little bit, come all the way out, and then I'm just going to release it and put it back. This one has custom walls, so we can fit this all in, draft skirt, everything there to fit that in, and then make this an outside entertaining area. So I'll unclick that and let that go. Maybe I'll hook this on. And just a little idea of a great outside solid awning here. Let's go look inside. Some of my favorite things. Crim safe, leave it open. Big TV, so new smart TV in here. Big TV, big Latin lounge. So really liking this adjustable table, Latin lounge. Storage underneath, so still some of the great storage. Carpet in through there. All access to my diesel hot water. Heater with bypass and water pumps. So all done under there. Big convection microwave. Great space here. So I've got my everyday lights, but I've also got that reading lights up there. So I can turn those guys on and off and change that to the little reading light mode. And then I've got little black buttons here to turn the Ensuite on. If we get happening in here, I'd like to have a little change. And we've got the curtains for privacy in here, and we can lock that in if someone gets up early. Corian benchtop. Look, I can even move my smart TV down here, closer to the bed, making this little entertaining area. Great table, highlight ceiling, so lots of cupboards. Truma aircon, big aircon running off this, overhead cupboards, and a great ensuite, nature's head toilet in there, 2 kilowatt heater. Fans are on, so I'm here relaxing with my Sirocco fans on, and then love the 50-liter freezer and the 130-liter full-time fridge. Some of the light that we have in here, it's a great feel. Open the windows, SEQ Campers, Sunshine Coast. Come and see this great unit today.